What's up, Autonomics? Happy Monday. I hope your week is off to a good start. Once again, if you're new here, make sure you check out the start video before you jump into this one. Otherwise, none of this will make sense. So just a quick reminder there. Hello, all subscribers, non-subscribers. I'm glad to see you. And welcome back to the Autonomy 30-Day Habit Adoption Challenge, day 22, and the first day of the testing phase after the 3 weeks of adoption. So this is a pretty simple video. Quick update from me. I did not get my workout in yesterday. The logistical conflict that I had did not clear in time. And just as a bit of a workout protocol, I do not work out too late in the day. The cortisol increase late in the day absolutely destroys my sleep. And sleep is the number one priority for me. So I did not get to work out yesterday. Let's switch over to the tracker so you can see it. There we go. So yeah, did not get the workout in, unfortunately. That happens sometimes. And I'll leave it up to you if life circumstances just prevent a habit execution, right? Whether you want to consider that a habit execution that you could have done, right? Or that you couldn't have in terms of counting the days available to execute a habit versus the days we successfully did it. We're going to put the latter over the former at the end of this, and then that will give us a percentage, and then I'll show you the threshold at the end that you could use to consider your habit adopted or not, or to what level of automaticity you have it. That percentage will kind of indicate that. So that's what I've got in terms of an update from yesterday. I did not get that workout in. I did get a fantastic workout this morning, though. So looking back at that, the key, however, this time is a reminder to the method of the testing phase. Whereas adoption phase, we used bracketing tasks, we used identity basis and everything else, for encouragement of habit execution. Now we don't do any of that. Now we are literally just going about our day and seeing if the habit is habitual, right? So today was like that for me. I got up. I didn't really have to think about, okay, put shoes on to begin the procedure of working out. I just went into it and it happened. And it happened really well, actually. I got all of my rounds of boxing in, and all the rounds of weightlifting in after that. So it went great, and it feels like there's a serious habit adoption. The testing phase will do a good job of seeing whether our bracketing tasks were really what were enabling the habit versus automaticity itself. So that is to say, the bracketing task was a habit on its own that became automatic versus the one that we actually wanted that we were bracketing. So that's maybe a little bit convoluted. Hang in there, you'll see what I mean. The point is, in this testing phase, when we're not using any execution techniques to encourage the habit to happen, and we're just autopiloting it to see if it happens. Now we're doing that, right? And we want to see some level of sustainment, right, happening for the habit just by virtue of it executing itself, because that's automaticity. Automaticity is not when we're using adoption techniques to make sure we get it in and that we color it positively. Automaticity is when the repetitions happen on their own and then thus self-reinforce. So that's really the goal here. That's when you know you've got a habit adopted, because it just strengthens itself. It just goes and goes and goes. So watch out for that. Use full autopilot mode, no execution techniques this week, in the next, today and the next 9 days after that, 8 days after today. When we hit day 30, we'll see how we did. And that's the idea. I'll give you a couple more reminders of that this week, and I'll just be here along with you each day, just to be with you on the journey, right? So again, keep going. Have a great week. Thank you to all the subscribers out there. I love you. I couldn't do this without you, as always. And look, have a great Monday. I'll talk to you all soon. Take care.